This look says, I may be unbalanced, but my outfit is not. Hello, freaks. Welcome to High Stylin for the season finale of season 7. Let's look at what it's gonna be. Jaime's got me wearing red with orange, so that's fun. Other than that, it's pretty tame. Except, okay, this orange skirt, I don't know why in the world I bought it. It barely fit me at the time I bought it, and I've gained weight since then. And as I recall, it's kind of see-through, so I don't know if the swimsuit bottoms are gonna be a plus or a minus here. I guess we'll find out. This is what you meant, right, Jaime? It's like everything is a statement. I really think the colors are fun though, even the red and orange clash. Let's wear this properly. Well, at least this skirt is stretchy, so it wasn't that bad to get it on. I don't really understand why we're wearing a navy tank top under the white. I do like that we're wearing knee-high socks with a slit. Like, it looks so off, but in kind of an intentional way. It was fun with something short, though. Can we see the swimsuit? Maybe not. I guess it's not see-through. I don't know why I thought it was. What are we gonna do? It's like I already like it, sort of. I'm tempted to try my navy shorts with the red stripe, but I feel like we just did a similar look with this same jacket with a different button down long sleeve white shirt. So I have another idea. It might be a bad one. I told me so. If I put the socks back on, does that make it better? I mean, kind of yes, actually, but it's still really weird. Also, the skirt was a much redder orange, which was kind of harmonious with the red. This is just icky looking. Oh well, it was fun to try. I think we need to just make the skirt work, because I do mostly like the outfit. Okay, I put the skirt back on with only one of the socks, and hear me out, it feels more balanced this way. And it makes more sense because this leg is gonna get colder than this one. It's practical and fashionable. This look says, I may be unbalanced, but my outfit is not. I kind of just love it already. Like, I don't know if there's anything else that I feel the need to change. I think that fixed it. Here, let's give it a little, like, half tuck or something, too. Yeah, nice and asymmetrical. I think Jaime just wins because who's to say this wasn't Jaime's vision? The one sock, the styling. Good job, Jaime. Alright, here's our outfit. Where would I wear this? I guess I would wear this to the laundromat because this seems like the kind of thing you would wear if like none of your other skirts were clean and you only had one sock clean and no underwear. Let me know if you would wear this outfit on laundry day or on any day. That brings us to the end of season 7, so let's see who the winner is. And it's regular me, barely, by 1. I didn't even bother scoring most of these because I was pretty disappointed in this whole season and how lackluster it was. Speaking of lackluster, let's briefly acknowledge the reject outfits. Alright, that's it for season 7. Let me know which outfit was your favorite, and thanks for watching. Come back next week to kick off season 8.